Ginayo, magluto naman tayo at magtatagalog ako. Or you want English? If you have a rotten banana, don't throw it. Just make a food so that you can eat it. We're going to make banana bread. Okay? So all we need to do is 3 banana. Banana. Oh, just like this, just peel it with fillings. Okay? With fillings. 3 banana, and then we need also egg. 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs, the left and the right. I will make batil-batil like that. I know, kinina na lang. Tanga makrak-krak. Uy! Oh, there's a crack over there. So you need to take it out, that one. So that not to lunok-lunok. Okay? The shell perlation. Bahala kayo dito. And then, next is coconut oil. Coconut oil, we need how many coconut oil? Half cup. Okay? Tingnan na. Oh, it's brand new. Okay. So, this is easy, guys, to make it. Oh, just make it sure the coconut oil is good for food, cooking, organic cooking oil. Okay, I thought it's for my hair, because I bought 2 kind of coconut oil for my hair and for my food. Okay, and then next is I need, I already set the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, so we need milk. The milk is 1/4 cup. Okay, 1/4. Okay, alright. And then, as you can see, guys, I have 2 bowls, the left and the right again, because I need to separate the liquid and solid, because the solid need together before I put it in this liquid. And then later, you have utot-utot, that is gas. Sila i-vlog ko. Ilantong kami request yo, magluto ka no gano. Luto-luto ka no, met. O sige, luto-luto pala. Because I'm talented, I can sing, I can dance, I can cooking in a You make it make smash potato, but banana ito. Okay, just like that. Mix. I don't put yet the flour in Ilocano or harina. When you balikas is flour, but here in America they call it flour, which is not bulak-bulak. I don't know why they confuse my English. Okay, and I need vanilla also. Vanilla extract 1 teaspoon, but we don't have vanilla, so I use almond extract. I asked my mother-in-law if it's okay. She said it's okay, but a different taste. Okay, so let us see. 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Okay, normally every time I'm cooking banana bread or baking banana bread, I use honey and butter. But now this is my first time to use cooking oil, so let us see the difference. Okay. Hi, Team Raisa. Inspired by Team Raisa. Dahil nagluluto-luto sila, kaya luto-luto naman tayo. Kasi kapapanood ko yung kay Alex Gonzaga. So nagka-idea ako, ay na mag-cooking show nga din ako, Team Raisa. Alright, in this separate bowl, we need flour, 1 cups and 3/4. Okay, so this is 1 cup, and then you make it tansya, so maybe this is 3/4 na, maybe. All right, so next we put the sugar. Before I put honey, but now I put sugar, and we're running out of white sugar, so I use brown sugar for the first time. So we will see. All right, how many? 1/4 cups of sugar. 1/4. Okay, 1/4. Because 1/4, because I'm going to put chocolate chips. Okay, that's my secret ingredients also for my banana bread. And then next is 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. See? Cinnamon. Wow, how many? 1/2 teaspoon. Alright, rock and roll. And then baking soda, 1 teaspoon also. Baking soda. Sabi ka to baking soda. Soda ba to? Is this baking soda? Yeah, that's right. And then last but not the least, ang panglasa, salt. Asin. Alright. 1/2 teaspoon of asin. Asin. Ooh. Put it together. Mix it. Okay, and then you put it together. I already smashed the banana, not too much smash, so that you can feel the banana when you eat the banana bread. Okay, all right, just like that, smack that. Okay, mani popcorn. So I will transfer this in that 9. What is the size of this? 5 times 9. Bahala kayo dito. 45. Okay. Ta-da! I'm back. So this is what I told you, the chocolate chips. This is the secret ingredients for Yummylicious. Okay. All right, rock and roll. Okay. Mekos. Yan na. Basta takki na eh. Nainis dito. Okay. Alright. And then we will transfer over here. I need to spray. This is oil also. Okay, balay buto. Alright. Transfer. And then we will put in the oven and cook it for 40 to 45 minutes. Alright. And then check it with toothpick. Mayat sa ating vlog ko ah. Kinidan ah. Banana and banana. Banana. Banana, okay, nana. Yeah. Okay, let's put it in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. Alright. Alright, after 50 or 45 minutes, let's check. This is what we call toothpick. Okay, dardara sa lumag yan. 1. Alright, let's check na. Ay, kinina. Kinina na sinita ko naman eh.
Oh, you burnt yourself. Again.
As always, okay na.
Oh.
That's why I hate cooking. Cooking na naman eh. Mother, you're the one to cook now. Okay na. pudutan naman
Hurts, doesn't it?
But it looks yummy, Mother. Is it yummy?
Yeah, it looks yummy.
Kininana. It hurts. Dumanin pek-peklat ka. Wow.
You're gonna have to watch it the next time.
Next time. If there's a next time again, I don't like na to cook. Look at my pecs. My scars. Look how many scars I have.
Yeah.
There's a lot. Okay, Nana. This is my last cooking show na, Mother, okay? Okay?
I don't think so.
Let's taste test. Taste test. Okay? You wanna taste it, Mother? This is hot. So later na lang. Huh? You wanna taste it?
Uh-huh.
This is hot. It's hot.
Oh.
I said it's hot.
Oh, you weren't kidding. It tastes pretty good, though.
Tastes really good. Apo na yung nasakit. Still hurt, Mother. Okay, let me see. Puyo taka okay na. Yummy. Yummy. You want a slice, Mother?
Yes.
Okay. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy.